Hello, Holy One. Hello, hello. One moment for you. Just allow the space, just allow your breath. Just allow your remembrance, yes, to expand. Yes, we're always available, yes, to ourselves. Yes, we are always available. Our wholeness is available. Our eternalness is available. Our vastness is available. Our power is available. Our divinity is available. Our sacredness is available. And when we lean in and we allow, we trust ourselves. We step in with faith of who we are. Those spaces of us, those sacred alignments of us, find a connection point in which they can flow. Yakoe yanenea, yapoe ya iya nasawa, tabua ye yakoa, tabua ye yakoa. Thank you for allowing you, for trusting you, and for remembering that you are more. You are vast, and you are here to be that light.